All right. So your terminal will look like something like this, especially when you've installed Git Bash and on your PC or on your Windows machine. So um, normally your Git Bash comes with the home, and to navigate from the home to different paths, we use CD. Now, CD means change directory. You are trying to change from where you currently are. So this is home. From home, I want to actually move to a new folder. Now, this CD works uh, with nested folders. What does that mean? It means if you want to get to a folder that is inside another one, you first have to state the name of the folder that is outside. Now let's assume currently in my system, I have a folder in this system that is known as Git demo collab, which is what I just used a while ago to demo how to use Git. All right. And I want to actually get to that folder. Now, if I type cd git uh, demo collab right here, now it's going to tell me it cannot find such a directory here. Why? Because there is no folder with that name in this current location where I am. So I have to first of all get to the location where that folder is. Now, if I want to know the folders are in the current location where I am, all I need to do is type um, the command ls. Now, ls is to list every either file or directory that is in the current place where you are. So if you type ls on your Git Bash, it shows you all the folders that you currently have in the current location where you are. So with this command, I can now know, okay, the next place I should move should be this folder, before this folder, before this folder. Now I know that the folder that I just named, which is Git Demo Collab, is inside of document, and then in document, it's inside of project. So all I need to do is do write cd text document slash projects. So let me just use autocomplete and slash, for instance, I think it's tech verse, I don't know, tech verse. I think I have it wrongly. Let me go step by step. Let me go into the document first of all, then write ls here to know what is here. Okay, live class. This ought to be class, but it is class. So that will enter into that folder, cd into live, and then I write another ls. Okay, this is not where it is. To go back to the previous folder, all I need to type is cd space dot dot, which means I want to go back to the folder I just came from. So I'll go back there and let me cd into project. I think it should be in project ls. And demos, cd into demos. I hope you are here, ls. It's not here. One moment. Let me just know where it is. Okay. It's actually in. So you can see that you actually need to know where your folder that you're trying to open up is. So I'll go back again, cd dot dot, and I'll cd now into TechVars Academy. TechVerse. Then documents. Oh, it's inside of documents. It's inside of document, not projects. So let me go back again. In documents, I'll enter into TechVerse Academy, yeah. And then I'll cd into Git demo collab. Now, this is the folder I want. Okay, why is this one? Cannot find it? Git branch collab. Oh, pardon me. I got the name wrong again. Git branch collab. So this is the folder, and I am currently, this is, oh, I need to do cd git branch collab. So now I'm now inside of Git branch collab. Now I can run any other command from here, from git init, git add, git commit, now that I'm in this folder. Now, if I run any of those other commands in any of those folders, it will actually apply those things to that folder that I'm in. So I must ensure that I'm in a current, the actual folder that I am. All right. So sometimes you might need to, if you're on Windows, you might need to go to your folder structure and right click on it. And then you'll see open with Git bash. Now, if you are on that folder and you open it with Git bash, it will actually take you there. So you don't need to use cd here, cd there. You just arrive there and you can just run your command from git init, git add, git commit, git checkout -b that I just demoed, git push, and all of that. I don't know if I've cleared the question.
Yes,
Is there any other before
clear now. Right.
we call it a day?
Let me. So if I access that folder, maybe just click and then open each bash. So it can maybe that directly, right? And that directory can lead me to VS Code directly, right?
Yes, so if you want to go to VS Code, let's assume you opened the directory and you're now in your folder. You just need to type code, CODE space dot, which means open the current folder that I'm in with VS Code.
Please, if you don't mind, can you just demo it for me?
All right, so let's assume now I am in Git branch collab. All right, so I'm just going to, because this project is currently open, I'm going to go ahead and close it. I'll close it in my VS Code. And then I'll come back to the terminal and type code space dots. Now, what this command is saying is, I am currently in a branch known as Git branch collab, and I want to open this branch. Sorry, not branch. I'm currently in a folder known as Git branch collab, and I want this folder to be my project. All right, so I want to actually open it inside of VS Code. That's the meaning of this command. So the moment I actually run it, okay, I need to share again. Let me stop sharing and share again so that you can see what happens. I was trying to minimize the things that I'm sharing so that it doesn't confuse you because I'm using a MacBook. But the commands run exactly as I'm running them right now, even if you are using a Windows. All right. So I'm going to share my entire screen, and I am going to go here and run the command. And immediately you see that it will open up VS Code. All right. And if you check the project that is currently open, that it opened is Git branch collab. You understand? So that's actually how you can use the command line to open up the project or the current directory that you are in, open it up in VS Code and start coding. All right. Is it clear now, Joshua?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank
So
you, sir.
go ahead and give it a try. And don't hesitate to call me out on the group chat if it's not working as it should for you. I'll jump in to see how we can help you. All right.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
All right. So with that, I'm going to stop sharing my screen and I'm going to end the call. See you next week. Bye.